G'day guys, I haven't done a video for a little while, so I thought I would share this one. It's basically an unboxing. I got a parcel sent to me from UnionRepair, and I have no idea what's in it. No, I do really. And yeah, I just thought I would share what I have got for the channel and some tools that might make my job a little bit easier. So let's get into this and see what we have. Oh, they've sent me some goodies. Love it. So I have the new Shapers Quanley tool, I think it is, with the this one here. I'll take it out of the packet so you can have a look. This is the iPhone 10 power on octopus lead thing, and we got it out. So this looks really nice, good quality, well packaged. So I'll just undo these twist ties and show you. So basically this, oh, they're nice feel to them as well. These are really nice. So they will hook into your iPhones and be able to power them on via the Shapers L001. So there you go. So that will hook into there. So four USB ports on it as well, which is pretty cool. And on and off, and a power button. So good for testing. So we got that. So they also sent me a pack of goodies here. So that's pretty cool. I didn't even order these. So they sent me a bunch of jump wire. So not sure what grade that would be or what size that is, but that's a lot of jump wire. And then another 0.002. That one doesn't have anything on that. 0.002, this one. Super fine jump wire. So that's cool. What do we got here? Some more jump wire. Different type. And some other tools here. Some cards. Some pry cards. UnionRepair pry cards. Took a bunch of those. And some other tools. I guess these, they're nice and thin, so they might come in handy. So they'll look pretty cool. Different shapes too, hexagons and triangles and stuff. So that's good. Oh, now we get into the good stuff. What we have here is a JC1000 programmer. So there we are, JC1000 programmer. That's for 6S and 7 motherboards. So for storage upgrades, and NAND repair work. So that's the JC1000. And then what we have here also is, which I'm looking forward to, is the Quanley thermal camera. So there we go. So let's have a little look at what's in the box with the thermal camera. Okay, so we have some pretty standard paperwork, some checked by manuals in Chinese. So although we probably won't need that, because we just, like everything, you take it apart and you work it out. So we have a couple of knobs to do things up with, a Ethernet cable, because this runs via Ethernet, a power adapter, so I might need to get an adapter for that. And then we have the metal stand. Here, bracket. The camera itself. So here's the camera in all its glory, Tool Plus. So this should come in pretty handy, I would say. So yeah, it's got an Ethernet in the back there and the power in the back, and you can also focus with this knob here on what you're looking at. So I'll probably do a video on this as well once I figure it all out and get it all up and running. So that looks good. The side, and then we have the base for it. So a nice big base, and I'm guessing that goes into all that way, something like that, and then the camera goes on top. So yeah, it's yeah, looking really good. So I can't wait to set it up, and I can't wait to test it and try it all. And thanks to UnionRepair for sending this to me, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks guys.